Hey guys, so today I am super excited to review these fall nails that are press on, so they're super easy to put on. I've received so many designs, so let's choose my favorite and review it. So first I received this design. It's very cute, very long, and I love the little bow detail. And I received this design, which is super cute and has this gold tip, which I feel like super cool for like fancy events. Then I received this white, like with some like holographic like reflects. I also received this design, which is like pinky, also holographic. I feel like it's so cute. I feel like this one's my favorite. Then I also have this one. Is so cute, very long, and I love the little pearls. I also received this one, which is a very light pink. These are a little bit longer and the shape is different, but still cute. And last but not least, this classic, also like white holographic. These are a little bit more boxy, so yeah. So I feel like from all the designs I received, this one's my favorite. So let's try them on. Right now I have literally nothing on my nails, so I need this immediately on my nails. It comes with the instructions in the back. You basically first have to clean your nails from any nail polish or any residue. Mine are literally clean. And then you need to select the correct size from the ones that they give you. And on the clean nail, after pushing back the cuticle, which it comes with a little pusher, you just press on the nail and that's it. This is how the packet comes in. It comes with a little alcohol wipe, a little nail file, and the cuticle pusher. These are the nails, so I'm going to be choosing the right size. So first I'm going to open the alcohol pad and clean my nails. So you do have a lot of options, but these were the ones perfect for my nails. After, if you do need to file your nails for them to be perfect, you can. It comes with this little really cute one. And after that, I'm gonna push back my cuticle and I'm gonna buff my nails so they are ready for application. And the coolest thing about this nail kit, it comes with these adhesive pads. So you first apply the adhesive pad and then you apply the nails. So you can also choose the size that's perfect for your nails. So I'm going to apply the little glue pad to with the sticky side in the bottom, like so. And once you applied the sticky side to the bottom, peel off the cover, like so. So there's the glue attached to my nail, and I'm going to grab the nail that's the size that I chose for this nail, and I'm going to place it, and I'm going to press like 30 seconds really hard for it to glue correctly. And there you have it. So I'm going to keep doing my nails and we'll see the final result. And there you have it, super easy. So I'm just gonna finish this hand. And there you have it, guys. My nails are done literally in under 5 minutes. And these nails are literally so cute. I'm super excited that I got a ton of different designs, and I feel like this one is just super classy and cute, and I just absolutely love how easy they're to apply, and they look so real and pretty. I absolutely loved the design. Definitely check these fake press-on nails if you are like too lazy to go to the nail salon. I feel like this is a great option. They look super cute, and they have a ton of different designs available, and I just love that it comes with everything you need for the right application. They look super cute, and I just absolutely love these. Definitely check them out if you were interested in just doing your nails in a very easy and simple way. This kit is super high quality, super easy to use. I just absolutely loved it.